Let's begin by taking a look at the supplied parts. So we have the rear rack. We also supplied 2 large brackets. Then the hardware, 2 spacers, 2 M8 by 60 millimeter long hex head bolts, 2 M8 by 40 millimeter long hex head bolts, and 4 M8 by 20 millimeter countersunk Allen bolts plus washers plus nylock nuts. Tools, 13 millimeter wrench / spanner, ratchet and extension, 5 millimeter Allen socket or key if you have Allen key, and a 10 millimeter hex socket. Now you can start by removing the OEM bolts from the passenger grab handles and then put the large bracket on the top, apply some Loctite, and then on the other side as well, start with the bolt at the rear, turn it a few times, leave it loose. Then put the spacer in at the front, push the bolt through M8 by 60, turn the bolt a few times, like so, and then you can actually pull it snug. And then spacer in on the, in this case, right side, push the bolt through. You can hand thread or use the tool. Just make sure you're not cross-threading the bolt. You can see the torque spec displayed on the screen. Apply the torque spec. Next step, put on the rear rack, line up the mounting holes, drop all the countersunk bolts in. On the bottom side, put on the washer and spin on the nylock nut. Like so, and then the final step is tightening the bolts and then applying the torque spec. Any questions? Contact us, info@outbackmotortek.com or toll free 877-931-3636.